welcome to Gordon Guitar Neo. Handle Me Gently, great song from Neo. And we have this 5 chords we need for a song. Pretty easy to play, pretty much one strumming pattern through the entire song there, so that's great. So let's start with the chords, no need for any capo on this one. Let's start with E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be F sharp minor. So you need a bar here on the second fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. Next chord, D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have A next. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord we need is B minor. So that's a bar, again on the second fret. This time we'll skip the last E up here, so only 5 strings from A string and down. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And there you have the chords. Yeah, now let's look at this strumming. And here you need to think pair of chords. So 2 chords will pair up together and make one round of this strumming. So let's look at the transition here from E to F sharp, okay? These 2 will be paired up. So one round of these 2 chords and one round of the strumming will be like this. Okay, so we have part 1 and part 2 of this. So part 1 will be the E part. So the E will be played down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. So I have a short break after first down, and then comes the rest up, clap, down. Okay, and that's the part 1, and then you quickly change to F sharp, which is the part 2, and play down, clap, down. And that's it. So if we put this together, it will be down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. So you have a small pause as well between the 2 parts. So down, up, clap, down, a short pause there, and then down, clap, down. And the same goes with the transition from D to A. So this is the basic kind of chord progression for the song. E, F sharp minor, D, and A. One round will sound like this, a little bit slower. Yeah, so you're gonna play 4 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. That takes us to the first pre-chorus. All I want is to be what you want. This part is only downs when it comes to the playing, and you will play 4 downs of E, 2 downs of D, and 2 downs of A, like this. Rounds, and that's it for the pre-chorus. E4, D2, A2 times 2 rounds, and that takes us to the first chorus. This one is played in exact same way as the verse. You have E part 1, F sharp part 2, D part 1, and A part 2. You play that for 4 rounds in the same way, and that's the chorus. And yeah, repetition for a while now. Second verse will be played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. Everything is repetition there. After the second chorus comes a bridge part. I can't be selfish. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. That's where we are in the lyrics. This is where the B minor comes in. And from now, you will play the B minor, the F sharp minor, the A, and the E. That is the chord progression. And you're gonna play one full strumming round for each chord. So no switch like part 1 and part 2. You will play the B minor first. You will play down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. One full round of that, and then you switch to F sharp minor and play in the same way. One full round for B minor, F sharp minor, A, and E. You're gonna play this chord progression for 2 rounds, and that is the bridge parts. Let's play that together, starting with B minor. F sharp minor, A, E, second time. Parts. And after this comes the final second part. It's the final chorus played in the same way as the previous courses, and it fades out after the playing with vocals only. So Neo, thank you very much for your Handle Me Gently. We will try our best. So thank you for watching, guys. Play well and play tuned.